Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Noor Diary Frames. MashaAllah, in our previous lesson, we learned the first 4 Arabic letters. Today we will learn 4 new Arabic letters, their names, their makhraj, and how to pronounce them correctly. This is Jeem. The articulation of Jeem is: the middle of the tongue touches the middle of the roof of the mouth. Jeem. In English we say like J in jump, and also Jeem is a light letter as we are pronouncing it naturally. Now practice with me. Jeem, Jeem, Jeem. Good. Now let's move on to the next letter. This is Ha. The articulation of Ha is one of the Huroof al-Halq, meaning the throat letters. A breathy sound made from the middle of the throat. Ha. Similar to the English in house. Air flows gently from the throat. There is no tongue contact. There is no lip contact. Ha is a light letter. Pronounce it softly and lightly. Place your hand on your throat and feel the air coming out gently. Now, practice with me clearly. Ha, ha, ha. This is Kha. Kha is also one of the throat letters. The sound is produced from the upper part of the throat, near the root of the tongue. Kha. Air comes from the upper throat and flows out of the mouth, as shown in the above image. Kha is a heavy letter because it is creating a deep, full sound. In English comparison, similar to kh in Khalid or the ch sound in Loch. Now, practice with me, and it should sound heavy like this. Kha, kha, kha. Don't worry, just keep practicing. It will take time to pronounce correctly.
This is Dan.
The tip of the tongue touches the roots of the upper front teeth.
Dan.
English comparison, like D in door. It is a light letter. The common mistake is, do not make it heavy. Now let's practice the letter. Say it with me, without making heavy. Dal, dal, dal.
Let's do Makhraj revision. Jeem, middle of the tongue. Ha, middle throat. Kha, upper throat. Dal, tongue is upper teeth.
Okay, quick quiz now. Which letter is from the middle throat? Drop in the comment section. MashaAllah, today you learned Jeem Haa Khaa Daal. Episode 3 coming soon. Subscribe for more Arabic lessons. Bye bye.